A very good day, students. Myself Diksha Bhatt, a teacher trainee from Nirmala Institute of Education. Let's start with your maths class. Students, have you all played with the stakes? Suppose I give you all two stakes, then which geometric figure you would form? You may probably form an angle. Suppose I give you all three stakes, then which geometric figure you would form? You may probably form a triangle. And if I give you all four sticks, most likely you would form a quadrilateral. So today we will learn chapter number 8, quadrilaterals. With the name itself, we can make out that quadri means four and lateral means side. So any four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Let us revise the elements of quadrilateral. Here I have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now using this symbol we represent a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral have four vertices: vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. It has four sides: side AB, side BC, side DC and side DA. It has four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. It has two diagonals, diagonal AC and diagonal BD. So we all have studied about the triangles. Do you recall about the angles and property of a triangle? Let me revise it. According to angles and property of a triangle, the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degree. For example, if we consider this triangle ABC, then according to angles and property, we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we have an angles and property of quadrilateral, which states that the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here I have a quadrilateral ABCD. So according to this property, we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Let us solve a problem based on the angles and property of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. So here I have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. The numbers which are given in the ratio have a common factor, and here we don't know what the common factor is. So let us assume that x be the common factor. So we will multiply each of these numbers with x. So we will get the measure of angle A as 3x, measure of angle B will be 4x, 5x will be the measure of angle C and 6x will be the measure of angle D. By angle sum property of a quadrilateral, we know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360. So let us add all these angles. 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 360. After adding the left hand side, we will get 18x is equal to 360. And x can be written as 360 divided by 18, which is equal to 20. Now that we have a value of x, let us substitute this value of x in each angle. So our first angle is 3x, that is 3 multiplied by 20, which is equal to 60. So measure of angle A is 60 degrees. Our second angle is 4x, that is 4 multiplied by 20, which gives us 80 degree. So angle B is of measure 80 degree. Similarly, angle C is of measure 100 degree and angle D is of measure 120 degree. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different types of quadrilateral and their properties. Our first quadrilateral is trapezium. In this type of a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides is parallel to each other. Now consider a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. One pair of opposite side is parallel, that is AB and DC. So we say that AB is parallel to DC. Now here we have a kite. A kite is a quadrilateral wherein the two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Now consider a quadrilateral ABCD. Here we have AD is equal to AB and DC is equal to BC. And as the name goes, the kite resembles the shape of kite. The next we have is parallelogram. This is the quadrilateral wherein the both pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. That means AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Now next we have is rectangle. Rectangle is a quadrilateral wherein both pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. That is, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. And it is a special type of a parallelogram where all the angles of a parallelogram are right angles. The next we have is rhombus. It is a quadrilateral where all four sides are equal. It is also a parallelogram as both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Now we have a square. It is a quadrilateral where all four sides are equal. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to DC is equal to DA. And all the angles are right angles. It is also a parallelogram because both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other.